Hello, PTE learners. Welcome to this quick 60 to 90-second PTE spoken text practice lecture. Today, you'll listen to a short lecture on a high-frequency 2025 topic. Your task is to focus, take notes, and identify the main idea, 2 supporting points, and 1 example. After listening, pause the video and write your summary in 50 to 70 words. This will help you improve your listening, note-taking, and summarizing skills, all crucial for the PTE exam. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more PTE tips. Climate change remains one of the biggest global challenges of our time. Rising temperatures, melting glaciers, and unpredictable weather are affecting agriculture, health, and economies worldwide. To tackle this crisis, many countries are investing heavily in renewable energy sources, such as solar, wind, and hydropower. These alternatives reduce carbon emissions and create green jobs. Yet, the transition is slow because renewable technologies are expensive and require new infrastructure. Governments and industries must work together to make clean energy affordable and accessible to everyone. Technology is reshaping the healthcare system through the rapid growth of telemedicine. This approach allows doctors to consult patients online, reducing the need for hospital visits and saving time for both sides. It became especially popular during the pandemic when in-person care was limited. Telemedicine helps people in remote areas access quality treatment, but it also faces challenges such as data privacy, poor internet connectivity, and lack of personal interaction. Experts believe combining digital care with traditional medical practice can improve healthcare delivery worldwide. Globalization has greatly influenced employment worldwide. Companies now operate across borders, creating more job opportunities in some regions while reducing jobs in others due to outsourcing. Workers need new skills to stay competitive, such as digital literacy and cross-cultural communication. While global trade boosts economic growth, it also brings challenges like wage disparity and job insecurity. Governments and educational institutions must prepare the workforce with relevant skills to adapt to the rapidly changing global job market. Online education is rapidly changing how people learn and acquire new skills. Platforms offer flexible courses in coding, business, language learning, and more. Students can study at their own pace and access global resources without relocating. Employers value these skills, making online learning an effective tool for career advancement. However, challenges like lack of interaction, motivation, and reliable internet persist. Experts suggest combining online courses with practical experience and mentorship to gain meaningful knowledge and career-ready abilities. The lecture addresses the rapidly aging population seen in many developed countries. Improved healthcare and higher living standards have significantly increased life expectancy. However, this trend brings challenges such as increased demand for healthcare services, pension pressures, and a shrinking workforce. Governments are encouraged to consider policy changes, including raising retirement age and promoting active aging, to manage the impact. The lecture highlights that an aging society requires adaptation across healthcare, economics, and social systems to ensure continued well-being and productivity. Great job listening. Now check your summary against the sample answers shown on the screen. Compare your main idea, supporting points, and conclusion. Did you use correct grammar and complete sentences? If not, try again until you can write a clear 50 to 70 word summary. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon for more PTE prediction lectures and exam tips every week.